Welcome to Heads Hardware Management System. Now we're going to log in. We're going to enter our email address, and this information is for the admin. The admin would be the only person to make any adjustment to these records. Enter. Now the admin forgot his password. You will re-enter. Voila, now we'll peruse through the document. We'll start with the suppliers. Here we have some information within our suppliers table. Now we're going to create a new supplier. And here we have read suppliers. You will place in the email address, the mailing address, and the telephone number for Reed's Supplies. Then you will realize that now we have 3 suppliers. We can edit the information, delete the information, and so forth. Now we're going to click on the edit. So here we can edit roads to roads, and now we're going to save this information. Now we would like to view all the information in detailed format. There we have the information. So now we're going to move to another section, which is the products table. We're going to create a new product. So now we're going to make an edit because we do not want the quantity to be 7. We would like the quantity to be 7,000. Now we'll save the information. We'd like to view the information again. We'll go back to the page. We'll try to delete our information, our record to be exact. We won't delete a record though. We'll cancel this information. Now we'll go to the customers table. And within this section, we'll create a customer and delete a customer. So here we're putting Garfield Reed. Garfield Reed became a member today. We will create Garfield Reed. And now we want to delete Davon. Let's delete Davon from the list. And now we'll view any information within the table. Okay, now we'll go back to the list and try to edit. We won't do anything. We'll just come out this section. Now we'll go back to our point of sale. And here is where we make a sale. We'll record the information of a sale. Now we'll create a sale. Mr. Garfield Reed, he bought board adhesive and he will purchase 20, and he will purchase on today's date. Okay, so now we are able to view the details of the sale, edit the details of the sale, and delete the information for a sale record. Now we're going to log out of the system. Now, if another user came to log in within the system, they will not see the information that the admin can see. And now we'll show that. So here we have a user. And there you have it. The user is logged in, and here you have hello@localhost.com. That is the name of a user. So the user will be able to see every other information that would be presented within the system, but not the information that the admin will be able to see. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for listening.
All right, welcome. This is the wind farm aspect of our project. As you can see, it's Ed's Hardware. We are now looking at the staff login page. As you can see, we have username, we have password, and we have login. Each time we hover over these fields, you notice that the status strip is showing. So it's saying click to log in, please enter password, please enter username. So let's enter these credentials. Alright, so if I enter username without the password, it should tell me that I don't have any password entered, so enter the password. If I enter the password but it's incorrect, it will tell me that incorrect username or password. So if I should enter the correct credentials, it will say login was successful, welcome admin. Once you have entered all of that, we are greeted by the home page. The home page is showing the number of suppliers, users, the date, and a little graph. To the side, to the left hand side of the program, we have home, suppliers, stocks, users, catalog, and about. We'll go through each of these individually. So clicking on the supplier, we can see the different suppliers here. If we click on it, it will automatically populate the fields. If you want to make a change here, we can make the change, update, records update successfully. Good. If you want to search for a record, we can search by two means, either the supplier's name or the supplier ID. Well, let's use the supplier name first. So if I type in D, it will show me all of the suppliers whose name begins with D. If I type R, it will show me it will show me all of the suppliers whose names begins with K. Now if I should come to the supplier's ID, if I type in 1, it shows me the ID that matches 1, 2, 3, there's no ID that matches 3. If I want to add a record, I can start by putting it here. So I can say supplier name, let's say Ricks Super Center. Give it an email. Give it a telephone. And an address. And I can say save. So you notice Rick was entered here. If I want to delete something now, all I need to do is select which one I want to delete. So if I want to delete the one that I just entered, which is Rick, I can come back right here and just click delete. Now let's look on the stock. So if I click on any field, it will automatically populate these. So if I want to add a new one, I could choose all of these, do the update. I can change the figure. Let's say this is 5. And take this from pound to, let's say, ton. I can click update. And as you can see, the information has been changed. Users, these are the users that have access to the program. So if I want to make any changes, I can do it here. The same thing applies. So I can do the update, I can delete, or I can save. Catalogs now. This is showing you a showcase of most of the products we have in service. So it shows that we have hammer, staple, toolkit, drills, saws, screwdrivers, and so on. In the about now, this page displays all the members of this group. So myself, followed by all the other members of the group. As you can see, Melissa, Tyrone, Davian, and Deshaun. Each time, if you notice to the left of each of the button, each time you click on the button, it indicates where was clicked by using this green box right here, this green indicator. Alright, so if I click exit, it will ask me, do you want to, you are about to exit the application, are you sure? I can say no and it cancel that. But if I say yes, it will just end the program. And that's it.